Hello friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians. Many of our subscribers wanted to know from us that what will be our schedule, what will be our planning, the upcoming topics, and also we are preparing this and we have prepared that our new videos will come daily and it will be in between 4 pm to 8 pm. Now the topics which will be covered by me, that is electromagnetic theory. I have covered most of the important topics of electromagnetic theory, but due to the request of some subscribers, I will also tell some topics like dipole radiation. Okay, so some topics will be included soon. And now I am basically focusing on the previous year questions that has come already in NET GATE. So the previous year questions we will try to cover it as much as possible. We are planning to cover the previous year question from 2012 up to 2019 previous year NET GATE JAM question papers of each topic which will be discussed. And then side by side I have also started the optics, where I introduced with the polarization. And then I am thinking that laser is much more important topic nowadays, because our focus is to teach you for the CSIR exams and for research students. So laser is very important topic, and I have seen that most of the students that they don't know about laser, or they just somehow mug up the concepts of laser. So I want to take a thorough discussion on laser. Okay, so our next topic will be laser, and then I'll go with the other physical optics topics, that is interference, diffraction, and every topic there will be discussion of numerical problems from the years 2012 to 2019, which will be from the previous papers of NET GATE JAM. Okay, and then I think that I should go with the classical mechanics, where I will discuss about the Lagrangian, Hamiltonian, and special theory of relativity, and other teacher will discuss you about the Newtonian mechanics and the first part of the classical mechanics. And then from classical mechanics I will go to the quantum mechanics. Most of the students are requesting me to discuss in quantum mechanics, but I think it is not the right time for a discussion, because I want to make a clear point of view for the quantum mechanics, why we need quantum mechanics, what are the limitations of the classical theories. So I want to discuss first classical theory and the Lagrangians, Hamiltonians, and then I go to the quantum mechanics, when I will briefly explain the Planck's theory of black body radiation, Planck's hypothesis, then Compton effect, photoelectric effect, then Schrodinger wave equation, then different potentials will be considered, and also hydrogen atom problem, perturbation theory. Okay, everything will be. Then I think we should go to the relativistic electrodynamics if we have some time. Okay, so this is now for me, and for the other teacher, this is Lakshman Goswami. He is doing very well. He has discussed the analog part of the electronics, and he has completed op-amp BJT. He has discussed most of the questions of op-amp. Please go and check his video. In op-amp, I think the NET GATE JAM questions has been thoroughly discussed by him, and also BJT. The previous year questions he has almost discussed. Okay, now upcoming topics for the analog part is the diode based circuit, where PN junction diode will be, Zener diode will be there, also FET, JFET, MOSFET, everything will be there. So you don't have to be worried about the analog part. I think if you have any query, then please go to the comment section and write a comment. If you need any other topics which will be included, which we should include, please comment us. Then the digital part, he has completed the basics of the De Morgans and gates, and also he is discussing the K-map. And upcoming topic will be flip-flop, multiplexer, counters, converters. So every topics will be discussed. That the questions are from NET GATE, previous year questions from JAM. Okay, and the topics aptitude is side by side. He is also discussing the aptitude questions, which will be covered as per previous year questions. Okay, and now I think that we have a thorough work plan. If you want something more, please comment us and we will certainly reply it. Thank you.